Customers are not only sensitive to pricing, they also demand greater personalisation and expect far more compelling and targeted promotions. Whilst shopping and across multiple touchpoints, customers find it frustrating when promotions are not reflected across all channels. Customers are no longer simply looking for product discounts, they are expecting offers reflecting their lifestyle. Examples include buy the look in fashion or buying several products based on a recipe. Due to the complex nature of customer offerings across multiple business models, regions, and segments and channels, retailers can unintentionally include products in multiple conflicting promotions, thereby diluting their margins. Sonetto Promotion Toolkit PTK is a fully-fledged omni-channel solution to address these challenges. Marketeers use the back-office function to create the required promotions using a rich set of promotion templates out of the box. With one click, Sonetto PTK publishes the promotions across all required touchpoints, simultaneously including web, mobile apps, and EPoS. Moreover, Sonetto PTK delivers highly targeted promotions based on channels, date and time, segments, regions, cities, and stores. Thanks to an intuitive traffic light system within the central console, Sonetto PTK helps retailers avoid clashing promotions and duplications by highlighting potential errors. To create lifestyle promotions, Sonetto PTK uses a highly adaptive engine based on a target threshold rewards model. Using this model, products targeted for promotions can be derived from any combination of categories or products split over multiple price buckets. In addition, real-time basket evaluation of missed promotions can be provided to customers. The awarded promotions can be price discount, percentage reduction, or other products, services, and loyalty points. With Sonetto PTK, marketeers have a rich tool set to create compelling lifestyle promotions and rewards based on coupons, flash sale, mix and match, multi-buy and bundling. These are some of Sonetto PTK key benefits. Acquire and retain customers through compelling and highly targeted lifestyle-based promotions. Reduce time to market through predefined promotion templates with a seamless visual interface that synchronizes promotions across all desired channels simultaneously. Maximize margins through a combination of promotions and coupons at product, basket, or category level, while maintaining visibility on potential clashing promotions. Sonetto PTK has been supporting global retail leaders for over 15 years. We would welcome an opportunity to demonstrate how Sonetto PTK can help you to promote the right product on the right channel at the right price.